Hi, preschool friends.
Hello.
Miss Megan and Miss Laramie here with you guys. We are back from our Christmas break. We hope you all had a good one. And we're going to read one of my favorite books today. It's called Monkey Puzzle. Look at that monkey. He's thinking. I've lost my mom. Hush, little monkey, don't you cry. I'll help you find her, said Butterfly. Let's have a think. How big is she? She's big, said the monkey. Bigger than me. Bigger than you? Then I've seen your mom. Come, little monkey. Come, come, come. No, that's an elephant. My mom isn't a great gray hunk. She hasn't got tusks or a curly trunk. She doesn't have great, thick, baggy knees. And anyway, her tail coils round trees. She coils round trees? Then she's very near. Quick, little monkey, she's over here. No, that's a snake. Mom doesn't look a bit like this. She doesn't slither about and hiss. She doesn't curl round a nest of eggs. And anyway, my mom's got more legs. It's legs we're looking for now, you say? I know where she is then. Come this way. No, that's a spider. Mom isn't black and hairy and fat. She's not got so many legs as that. She'd rather eat fruit than swallow a fly. And she lives in the treetops way up high. She lives in the trees? You should have said. Your mommy's hiding above your head. No, that's a parrot. Mom's got a nose and not a beak. She doesn't squawk and squabble and shriek. She doesn't have claws or feathery wings. And anyway, my mom leaps and springs. Aha! I've got it! She leaps about. She's just round the corner without a doubt. No, that's a frog. Butterfly, please don't joke. Mom's not green and she doesn't croak. She's not all slimy. Oh dear, what a muddle. She's brown and furry and nice to cuddle. Brown fur, why didn't you tell me so? We'll find her in no time. Off we go. No, that's a bat. Why do you keep on getting it wrong? Mom doesn't sleep the whole day long. I told you, she's got no wings at all. And anyway, she's not nearly so small. Your mom's not little? Now let me think. She's down by the river, having a drink. No! That's the elephant again! Butterfly, can't you see? None of these creatures looks like me. You never told me she looked like you. Of course I didn't. I thought you knew. I didn't know. I couldn't, you see. None of my babies looks like me. So she looks like you? Well, if that's the case, we'll soon discover her hiding place. No, 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 that's my dad. Come, little monkey, come, come, come. It's time I took you home to Mum. So, this is one of my favorite books from England, which is why it's spelled mum and not mom. We hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye.